Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And my voice is just a little bit worse today. But anyways, I'm still going and doing good. So anyways, I'm just here with Marilou. And I just want to give her a bit of a cleaning up. She is looking like she goes outside a lot and a lot of outdoor stuff. And I don't think I've given her a nice wipe down lately. So she's going to get herself, you can see the dirt coming right on my rag here. I sat her down on a little towel here and just thought, well, we'll just give her a nice cleaning. There we go. Just something, this is just a mild hand soap here. Just to clean her up, clean those hands up. There we go. And one thing I noticed too is her feet. They're really getting kind of grody. There we go. Get those tootsies, monkey tootsies done. There we go, looking nice. Okay, got to go to work today and I feel good. It's just my voice sounds worse, makes me sound bad, but I feel good, you know. It's just, I went down last Thursday really bad over this, but that was it. It was a one-day event for me, and that ended it. It started there and ended there, you know. But then I've been left with this here. So it's going around in our area. I don't know about other people's areas, but I know we have it here. I work in the hospital there, and people are coming in with this. So I'm getting it naturally, of course. So I've told my one daughter to stay away right now, because she's a diabetic, type 1 diabetic, and, you know, her immune system is not always the best. So, but I don't know if I can pass anything now, because I don't know if this is passable, but it's just, I think, a result of what I've been going through. This happens to me. This seems to be a thing I go through when I get a virus. It goes to my voice. So I always call it my man voice of authority. Hello. There we go, Marilou. Yes. You're looking cleaner now, and you smell good too. You smell like the soap. Okay, we're going to get her changed. She's been sitting like this, just naked here. Well, in our naked, her fur. And to her, it's not a big deal. But anyhow, we're going to get her changed. And get her, she's going to stay in a nice warm outfit, because we're still in our winter. Though it's not a true winter at times here. We got some ice the other day there, but as fast as it came, it's kind of going now. But I'm not complaining. I'm loving this. If this is what we get this winter, I'm happy with it. I mean, we got green grass out there, like the grass is green, but it is what it is for here, and I'm not fighting it. If this is what we're going to get, hey, so be it. I'll take it gladly. Oh, you got a little hole in your leotards there. Now she's got this funky little bum here, with this little knob at the back here. So you have to remember, when you're dressing a monkey like this, that you're giving some her clothes has some leverage to get, you know, that you can dress her. There we go, Marilou. I don't know where her earrings went. I had them, and then I don't know what I did with them. I plopped them down somewhere. I'll find them. I had them in my hands the other day. And I know I said to myself, put them where you'll find them, and now I can't find them. They'll pop up. I got to get her some more. Ooh, your fur's coming right through that hole. Oh well, your dress will cover that. We ladies, we don't like holes in our leotards, but hey, sometimes we got to do what we got to do. Oh yeah, I put pink out just in case I want to go pink. I could have went pink. Let's try this out first. But now I'm going to put this top does not go with this dress, but it will work. So to give ourselves, it has a few snaps at the front. It's a My Child doll for 3 to 6 months. I picked this up a little while ago, and at a thrift store. I got it for $1 at the Goodwill. I could have been on sale too, for all I know, because they have their sales and everything. But that's what the tag, just because the tag says it doesn't mean that's what I got it at the till. That's where they usually take the amount off. It's at the till. So who knows? Maybe I did pay $1 for this. I don't know. I can't remember. So I have to go by what the tag says. So we'll dress her up. Are you seeing all this? I want to see what you guys are seeing here. Oh, you're seeing most of it. There we go. We'll put that down there like that, and I'll lift it back up when I sit her up. But somewhere I got her earrings sitting around. I just don't know what I did with them. They could be on the windowsill in the kitchen. I don't know, but we'll find them. I got to get her some more anyways. It's not, you know, something. She only has one pair, so I got to get her some more clip-on earrings. I usually get them from my used store. They give grab bags out for $2, and in there they'll have like lady ones, men ones, and kids ones. I always get the lady ones because I know I'll get the jewelry, like the earrings for her. But anyhow, so I work today and I'm off tomorrow. Got some free time for Tammy in there. Get some stuff done I want to get done here. So anyways, well, her dress here is made by, I don't know who. There's nothing on the tag, but it says 6 months. She doesn't always take 6 months. It all depends on who made the clothing. If the clothing is made by a company that runs a little bit on the small side, she can get away with some 6 months. If it's made by a company that's running it on the big side, then it just won't fit her at all, period. So it all depends on just who's making what country it's coming from, that type of thing. And that's what you're going to go with her. Now, Marilou picked out her headband. I had her down in the drawer there, and I said, pick out what you want. So she picked out her headband. But this arm is just going funky on me here with this sleeve. So let's straighten out this sleeve so she can move that arm properly. Now, I have armatures in here, so she can bend her arms. Okay, oh, that looks cute on her. Oh, my goodness, Marilou, you're adorable. You're so cute. Yeah, we don't see that hole in her. Okay, let's go down. Put on her shoes. I picked these up just recently at my used store as well. Can you see them? Yeah. Now, she takes about a 3, I think it is, in a shoe. Oh, this is a 6 to 9 months, which is typical to what... typical to what I'm putting on her already with a lot of her clothes. So, it makes sense. But I picked up some shoes that I know wouldn't fit the cupster, but would fit somebody like her. Oh, those are gorgeous on her. Okay. I don't see. Now, it says $3 in here, but I don't know. I can't remember. Again, I can't remember what I paid for them. I don't think I paid it. Usually I don't. I don't pay things like this. These are made by Carter's. These are Carter's shoes. It says right inside, Carter's. There we go. You can see that in there. Okay, so I'll put those on her. And they're 3 to 6 months. So if you ever get a monkey like this, you got to have a bit of a variety of shoe sizes for her within that 2, 3, 4 area. Because again, who makes them will determine what you're going to be able to put on her. Oh my goodness, Marilou, you are looking just fabulous. Fabulous for a Monday. Fabulous Monday. She picked out her headband, and she went with something very exotic for herself. Oh my goodness, yes. Even though we don't have the snow out or anything of that sort, she's got the frosty look. She's got a baby, it says baby bunny on her dress, and she's got her nice little furry. Let's see if you guys can see this on her. Oh my goodness, there we are. Look at that. Now everybody, what do you think about that? That is one gorgeous little monkey girl. Look at that. And my battery is saying, I'm done. Hang on a second. This is what you're going to get from me right now while I'm sick. But anyways, look at that face. Well, anyways, I'm going to let you go with that. Marilou is saying goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody. If I don't get to say goodbye, the thing shuts off. There you go. But anyways, let's see if we can find a bunny for her to hang on to. There we go. To go with her pink little dress. There we go. It's bunny time. Oh, there. Let's see that. There we go. Marilou and her bunny. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, my. Marilou, what can we say about you? All right, everybody. Have a great day. I'm going to get ready for work. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.